Dapper Display Mobile Dry Erase Whiteboard Model BSWB3648. It's 36 by 48 dry erase board. It did not come with the dog. I'm gonna open it now. Whiteboard instructions. Here's the whiteboard that I need to inspect to make sure that there are no dents or scratches on it. And there it is, all fully assembled. That took about 30 minutes to put all this together. There's two knobs on each side that controls the rotation, the 360 rotation of the whiteboard. There's notches here, so that way you can unscrew one and then unscrew the other one, and it won't, as long as you hold it lightly, it won't just flip on you. I know some of the cheaper boards out there, they have plastic frame and then the boards are pretty heavy and then they'll topple over, but this one seems okay. The tray is pretty flimsy. It's held by three very small screws underneath, but this doesn't have to be that sturdy because I'm not gonna be putting anything heavy on it. These wheels, they're okay. I wouldn't say they're the best wheels, but I don't think they're terrible. Each side has a locking wheel to it. You just gotta remember, I remembered to put one locking wheel on each side, so that way, you know, both sides don't have the locking wheels, and the locking wheels are useless at that point. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the plastic coating. Now here are all the accessories that the Dapper board came with. Got some colored magnetic clips. You have a ruler here. Got your 4 colored markers. And then your dry erase, which, does it also? Yeah, it also magnetically sticks to the board. So I have a home office, and I always need to write things on boards whenever if I'm having a meeting, or if I'm doing some plans, or if I'm writing a script where I need a large board. I've been always looking for something like this. I never thought to buy one. I know there's a lot of cheaper solutions to this. This board was about $250. This is a $250 board that I bought on Amazon. I think it's around $250. If it's not exactly $250, maybe it's a little less, a little bit more. But these boards can get either really, really expensive in the $500 to $1,000 range, or they could be dirt cheap that you can make at Home Depot. There was a lot of DIY YouTube videos and blog articles that I was reading where you can go to Home Depot and you can buy I think it's like a cardboard laminate, a white laminate thing for $15. When you get it cut however size you want it, and then you just nail it or you hook it to one of your walls. I've seen that, but I wanted something more mobile, something more professional looking, and something where I didn't have to do that much work. I'm not very good with constructing anything, but I can put something together like an IKEA desk. So this was very easy for me to do. I didn't mind paying the $250. I think looking at this now, this was a good deal for me. At first I was looking at a much larger board. I was looking at a 72 to 48 inch board. And now that I'm looking at it in my office, that would have been way too big. This is the perfect size, 48 by 36. I'm glad I got it. So far, this Dapper Display mobile dry erase whiteboard looks to be a good buy, and I recommend it.